you sit down to study, but suddenly everything else seems more interesting. Sound familiar? Here's how to force yourself to focus, even when you don't feel like it. The fourth trick is my favorite. It changes everything. Step 1. Trick your brain with a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. No thinking, just start. This breaks hesitation and activates your brain instantly. Step 2. Gamify your study session. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Challenge yourself to beat distractions. Reward yourself only if you stay focused. Your brain will crave the win. Step 3. Move your body. Feeling lazy? Stand up, stretch, do 10 jumping jacks. Physical movement snaps your brain out of procrastination mode. Step 4. Make failure painful. This one's my favorite. Tell a friend your goal. If you don't study, you owe them $5. Suddenly, your brain sees slacking off as a loss. Pain is a powerful motivator. Your future is built by your actions today. So, will you keep waiting for motivation, or will you force yourself to take control? The choice is yours. Start now.